takeoff.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff, please.
Hi loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is what happened during my trip to Europe. Stay tuned. We went for a walk. We came from there. My legs hurt, and we need to ride our bike like so far back home. There he is. Fuck, I called it. It was crazy. It's so beautiful. But someone is living up there, babe, or no?
No.
Where was that woman coming from?
What woman?
The one when we were coming like this.
Just for a walk there. We Latvians are crazy. We like to walk.
Yeah.
And there is something. This is there you can make fire there on this thing.
And then what?
And then nothing. It's just burning there.
And then it's burning there. This is my car, my bicycle, and his bicycle. My car for today. My Lamborghini.
Oh, baby, if you want to pee, I have napkins.
You said I will put this video in YouTube.
The sound.
No, I will not remove.
Oh, I have gloves now.
Ah, this one you bought, right?
Mm-hmm.
You pretend like you're the biker.
Uh-huh. No, but that day was freezing. My hands was freezing. That's why I bought them. But I bought the thinnest ones, man.
So this is abandoned castle. Was abandoned. Was a castle, but now it's abandoned. Where is it? Like there?
Maybe you can swim, yeah.
Don't steal my bike.
No,
We are literally alone here in the jungle. Whew. I'm so tired actually. Ah, it's cute. It's like a prison. Oh, ah. And the sea, you can see the sea from here. Baby, if you push me there, I die.
I know.
Hee-haw. Ooh. You don't want to sit? Let's go. Came inside the castle. This is how it looks like. No, No scooter, babe, so no bike.
No, walk.
Ah, there is something down there.
You cannot go far there.
Why?
Nothing. I went there already.
Oh.
There's nothing there.
Actually, you're not allowed to kill. If you kill this one, you're arrested here. Oh, a swan. Look at the two swans. And it's about to get down to more of. Oh, birds. You see? Come on, come on, come on. That's a church. It will pass where? At the back.
That's right. There is
Ah, there they are. If I go close, they are coming for the festival. They're the ones that they were making noise, Nani. Like yesterday morning. We are walking back home. That's a church for sure. It's not a house.
This guy I can remove later.
No, I'm
photo.
taking video. I'm not taking him. Does not qualify to be in my... Whee!
Oh, rain.
Where?
I feel something.
Yeah.
Something is falling from the air.
See the sunset
Yeah.
somehow.
Buildings everywhere. Here you can go down.
We go from here. Or
There, we go there. I know. I know now where we are.
okay.
There we can go.
Okay.
It's dog there.
I hope it's not a wild dog.
I hope it's not wild, but I hope there is maybe someone else. Here we were sitting with Toms. I wanted to go down, but there is someone already.
Where?
There's some, but babe, this dog belongs to someone.
And we cannot go?
No, we can, but I don't want. Oh, this we can go. Yeah.
There's something here. What's this?
This is
Like how they build
this one, yeah.
the bridge.
Ķegums 1937.
What?
Yeah.
It's very old. Nothing in English. Let's go for the walk.
The third biggest one.
What? It's so beautiful.
And this is our drainage system. If floods coming,
Dubai, they
all
should come.
water is going to the river.
Dubai, they should keep note. Even and we have like a big sea in Dubai. There's doodles.
Don't open your mouth.
How will I vlog without opening my mouth? What is that?
Tree.
It's just falling.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Some dry tree.
There's no monkeys.
No, babe.
It's just a waste, babe, because you have a lot of trees.
All you can find is some doodles here. Nothing more.
There's something here.
It's about how they was building. 3 years they was building this one.
3 years.
Yeah. From 1936 to 1939.
There's some gate
Jungle out there.
there. So scary, actually.
Why?
I don't know.
You're from Africa. Why you need to be scared from something?
Who told you Africa is it's like
You want to go there?
maybe
Maybe or yes?
it's allowed
It's allowed, yeah.
because there is some.
There will be more spots where you can go. Yeah. And here, babe. Here
What's
water
this?
It's showing it's be careful.
You can fall.
Yeah. And here, babe, water is 2 times colder than the up
Why?
because it's all the time it's going. It's not standing here. And I need to pee.
See, it's allowed. I see the sunset. Somehow. It's so beautiful here in Ķegums. Beauty, beauty, beauty. We're trying to find a spot like down there. There. So beautiful. Beautiful flowers like everywhere. I love it. Some what? But how they go down? Because it's so scary to go. Because if you go, how you will come back?
Same.
If you go down.
It went down.
No. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
It's Two.
Only two. Ķegums. Ķegums City Center. Beauty. It's cold. It's not like.
You want to
Hey.
It was more than 3.
Opa. Oh. It's deep, you think?
That is very deep.
Very deep?
But you can even see from here how it's going. There. You can see something and then it's going.
What a great time to be alive.
Ay. Ay.
You're so busy. Babe, you don't know how to do that.
I know.
And you are a boy, a man.
Some of them. I can hear some.